Hi guys, my name is David Garmo. I'm a purple belt under Master Carlos Kaiki Elias. I've been training out of Warrior Way Martial Arts in Walled Lake, Michigan. I'm trying to raise $720 to cover my expenses for the 2013 No-Gi Pan American Championships.
All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser.
Yeah, it definitely did. If I didn't have, if I didn't make a champ profile and use your website, I probably would not have been able to go to New York and compete. So that was the biggest thing. The website and my profile and my campaign, it got me to the tournament. With the campaign, people were able to see that, hey, I was working towards this goal, and the amount of support that I got from it was ridiculous. Like people that I hadn't met before, people I've only met once, were wishing me luck and sharing my profile and sharing my campaign and even donating and contributing to it. And it really made me feel good about myself and about what I was trying to do. People supported me, and it was almost like, hey, these guys believe in you. You should definitely, take what they're giving you and go to New York and kill it over there.